guys, Majorchaoz here. You want a more unique kind of way of flushing the toilet without having to touch the dirty handle and a toilet bowl? Well, there's a new thing called the foot flush, which we're going to install right now. How you do it is you first take off the top of the toilet tank, then you take the foot flush, then the light on the clamp itself, which folds out, goes right underneath, into the back. You can sit right there. Then you take the clamp right here, which sits right in the middle of the toilet, like so. And the goes right there. This will clamp right there where the metal is, I think, right there, up at the top. Then what you do is you flush the toilet. And flush the toilet as much as you can. Get a close up. Go inside. And you get as close as you can. 2 inches. Set that up like so. Done. And you're pretty much ready to go. Just let it fill up. Toilet. And ready. Push. Press it down just like a regular toilet. You never have to touch the never have to touch check with the handle, you never have to do anything. Just works by pressing with the foot. Easy as that, footflush.com. Check it out.